From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Well, welcome back. Well, it's going to be another warm one tomorrow. Temperatures pushing record highs, but a little bit cooler as we round out the week. Strong cool front on the way. It's going to bring a fall chill to the air, and it's going to be kind of a dirty front with clouds and some precipitation behind it as well as we go halfway and beyond into that 10-day forecast. So let's get to it and show you what's going on right now. We do have a little bit of an upper level low out into the southern Gulf of Mexico. This is not amounting to much, but it has been generating a few spotty showers out in the Gulf of Mexico. Saw a few of those running across South Louisiana today. May see the same tomorrow, so rain chance at 5%. Any shower activity is going to be renegade activity. We have this big upper level low here to the west. It's going to produce a fair bit of snow, and then the tropics active upper level low kind of sitting just northwest of a potential tropical system, full-blown tropical system. In the west, you can see the snow all the way up into Canada, and locally, we're doing pretty nicely. Fair skies out there. Temperatures upper 60s, dew points upper 60s to lower 70s. So temperatures and dew points close together. That means a chance of some fog or at least some clouds developing by morning. Hopefully not interrupting that lunar eclipse. As we get into the tropics, we have what's called an extratropical system. It's not organized. It's not getting its energy from the ocean. But what we'll be looking for in the next 24 hours or so is convection to begin to build around the center, and then this will transition over to a purely tropical system. Right now it's kind of a plain old hybrid low pressure system out in a tropical area, but very warm water here. 45-mile-per-hour winds right now, but we do think it's going to intensify to a pretty strong tropical storm, perhaps Category 1 hurricane prior to making landfall somewhere in Florida as we go into Wednesday night, Thursday morning, and then kind of interacting along the entire East Coast. And this storm system is going to have a lot of punch to it because it's going to have a lot of wind, and it's going to be a large wind field, even though it's going to be maybe a Category 1 hurricane. But you're going to have storm surge, battering waves on the Florida coastline, a storm surge as high as 3 to 5 feet. That may go higher, but that storm surge will be that high, perhaps farther north too as well, as long as this is slowing down. The latest graph model kind of grazing the Florida coast, bringing it in toward Jacksonville. Again, just one model, but it gives you an idea how it's going to play out. And we think that simulated satellite is cool as well. So as we take a look at the graph model here, we can see fog forming up, it looks like, first thing tomorrow morning. So keep that in mind. It could add neat effects to the lunar eclipse, or it could just scrub the event for us as well. So we'll see. Warm as we head into tomorrow afternoon, mid to upper 80s. Tomorrow night, another round of clouds, maybe a little fog, but looky here, we have what's called a little bit of a backdoor cool front coming in from the east, and that's going to hold our temperatures in the lower 80s for Wednesday, and then Wednesday night, Thursday morning, we're going to get down into the 50s. So some cooler air on the way, but wait, there's more down the road. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. As for your fog situation, latest graph model run indicating some patches of locally dense fog. So we could see dense fog advisories issued later on tonight through early tomorrow morning. That fog, though, burns off quickly with sun rising. Now, as for the blood moon for tomorrow morning, it's going to peak right around 5 a.m. So, Jim, you may want to start your watch party soon. You got about 6 more hours to go, and then you see how the moon will be going behind the Earth's shadow, coming out as the moon is in the setting in the western sky. So something to look forward to later on tonight if you stay up late or you get up early. If you get up early, you're probably not watching me right now. 68 the overnight low, mild night ahead with that lunar eclipse, peaking right around 5 a.m., a few passing clouds, and yeah, the moon turns a little blood red there. And then for tomorrow, we're going to see a mostly sunny day, a mixture of clouds and sun, getting close to the record of 88 that was set back in 1927. We'll go 87 the high with an east to northeast wind. A little bit cooler Wednesday, Thursday into Friday. Stronger front gets here Friday, and look at those temperatures behind the front. It looks like January there. Upper 50s to lower 60s for highs, lows in the 40s, plenty of clouds and some rain chances in there as well. Maybe a soaking too, but the latter part of that forecast is very up in the air.
It is.
Literally and figuratively.
Okay, it sounds like the KATC Astronomy Club is coming back.
Yeah,
huh?
oh yeah,
It's been a little while.
The dark secret, the secret dark matter society of the Midnight Milky Way Finders Club.
That's a mouthful.
I had to remember the name.
All right, thanks, Rob.